Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have my first sponsorship, which is so huge for me. No Limits LED sent me a set of 8 LED rock lights, which I will be installing on the Chevy Silverado today. Unfortunately, it is quite windy outside right now, and I don't know how well the audio will transfer, so this video might be mostly quiet, but we will see. So these lights, whoops, I just dropped the sticker, which goes in the back window. These lights, app controlled, you can see all that. It is, 8 pod lights. This is the $300 model, if I remember right. Yeah. This model would normally cost $300, but I have a code, Burnin' Gas 454. I will put it down in the description, and that will get you 10% off your order. So, open the door here. There's my truck, as usual. It is a piece of junk, but we are going to install these lights. So let me see here. I should probably open these and kind of get a look at them. Like I said, first sponsorship, and I don't really know what I'm doing. I like the sticker. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this in the truck. So we open this kit up. Here are the lights. There are 4 in each little bag. Here we have a control box, wires, fuse, zip ties, sticky, all the screws for attaching, and the instruction manual. There's for wiring it up. And that will plug into this, I believe. Yeah. So this plugs into this, which plugs into all of these, which plugs into those. So now I'm going to read the directions. I'm going to figure out how to install the whole thing, and then I'll do a whole install video. So here are the pods. As you can see, there are quite a few LEDs in them. I was actually surprised to see how many were in there. But these lights actually appear to be fairly high quality. So what I'm going to do now is hook up to my battery and test all the lights. They recommend I do that in the directions. I'm going to test all the lights. Before I install the lights, I should read this. Please check your state and local laws before installing this LED rock light kit. Every state has different policies and procedures in place regarding aftermarket LED lighting accessories. Please search Underglow laws for more details if needed. We as a supplier are not responsible for any fines that you may receive while using this lighting kit. This kit is for off-road use only. So in my state, it is legal to have Underglow as long as it is not red or blue. So any other color I can run. So I'm gonna test these lights to see if they actually light up, and then we'll start installing. There they are. They're power on. Really nice little, kind of like an infinite there. It's kind of cool. I like them. Hopefully you can hear there's a lot of wind. I might have to go over this in post. Here we hit mode. Hold it. Look at that. That's nice. It's going quicker now. Ooh, now it's, what is it doing? Oh, now it changes aggressively. That's flashing. Blue flashing. Green solid. Oh, wow. That's cool. Straight red. Red, yellow, oh, orange, yellow, more yellow, greenish, greener, blue, green, blue, 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 then dark, pink, back to red. Music, does it listen? Okay, somewhere is something that hears, it's right there, boom, boom, ba-da, ba-da. So right there is a speaker. When that hears the music, or my voice talking, it makes the lights flash. So that's kind of cool. So now it's time to move on to install. So there's my horrific wiring. This has an issue. That's why I fixed it that way. So All right, well, I got that hooked up, and it's actually really simple. Like you saw, I drilled a hole here, ran the wire. I will be putting zip ties across there because I'm a shop mechanic, backyard mechanic. Here are the wires that come with it. So I believe what I'm thinking here is so they come in these sections, and I don't think 2 is gonna be long enough, so I'm gonna do 3 sections across here, 2 to that side, and then probably 1 up to the front, and then a double across. I think I have enough to do that. That should be enough. So the way these lights work, this one doesn't have an end. See that? This one has an end. So this is one side, this is the other side, this is one side, and I forget what I do with the other side. There we go. Oh, here it is, down here. So this will plug in. Obviously, here's the wire that I ran. I'm gonna put you guys back on my head. So hopefully, I think you guys can see. How do I want to run this? I need to sweep my truck. So let's think here. What's this? I don't really want it down by my foot. I might mount it here. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna mount the lights for now. So let me think about this for a minute. I'm not sure exactly how I want to mount these. I want to get a really nice coverage of light, but yeah, let me think about it for a second. I'll be right back. I've cleaned up the liner here. We're gonna have to pop screws out so I can get these screws in, but for right now I'm just putting on these sticky things. Okay, Now, I need you guys to be able to see, and I can't tell if you can. So I kind of cleaned it up there. And I'm just gonna put them kind of close to the there we go. Oh. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to drill holes here and push these cords up through and connect them behind. And I got the whole front kind of wired up. I haven't gone through with my zip ties yet and secured it, but look at that. I have lights in the front and lights in the front. So now it's time to move on the back. Basically, as you can see over here, bing, 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 bing. You can see right here where I ran the wire in, and I'm going to close that up. And it plugs into this. So now I'm going to run another wire out of that, and it's going to run all the way back here. So it should take 3 to get across and then 2 to get across, but I'll have 1 extra so I can use 3 if I need it. So let's get into that. And here we go. I've got this hooked in. It's falling down here, it's down through. So if I pull in this, okay. And yeah, here we go. It is a mess down there because I have not been able to get the mud out from under it. I was hoping the dirt would do it, but so this is going to come back here. To there. That'll easy make it. Look at that, that's horrific. Okay. I hear a thunderstorm moving in. Now, I already had rock lights installed on this thing at one point, and you can kind of see holes here where they were mounted. That did not work too well. They were $80 rock lights, and they failed pretty quickly. So I picked these up like this. Picked them up just like this, and I carried them out here next to the truck just right now. So I picked these up. Boom. So I bought these. They are liners for the wheel well because I didn't feel like trying to fasten those to metal again. Look at that. So there we go. It's all nice and clean. There are my lights up inside it. They're gonna, whoa, look at all the directions. Okay. So basically, same thing as the front. Wow, my hair is a mess. Same thing as the front. There's a wire underneath here, across. I electrical taped it. The wire comes out here. It runs down and across. It actually runs through this beam right here. You can kind of see there's a beam here. It runs the whole way across. That's where the wire goes. It pops out the other side. So now I have to wire in those lights yet, and that'll be all. So grab this. All right. Let's see. Yeah. All right. I'm ready to do this. Guys, there it is with the lights installed, and check this out, ladies and gentlemen. I have got merch. Link is down in the description where you can go to buy that. I'm using Zazzle right now, so you can just go and check it out. Don't even buy anything. I don't care. I don't make that much money on it, honestly, but the hat is comfy, and let's roll the duty shots. Okay guys, it's all installed, as you can see, kinda. Look at that flash. Dude, look at that. That's just going through colors at a rapid pace. Wow. And the controller. Boom, they're off. Let's see how far away we can walk. Let's go. All right, about 30 feet, give or take. I can go about 30 feet away from it and still make them work. So now this controller, it has, hang on. So this controller has, we have auto. That just lets them, they're just going through it slowly, just every color, slowly going through it. We have the modes. This mode. Okay, hit it again. That mode just changes abruptly. There's the flicker mode that it was on. It's another flicker mode. And then I can go quicker. I think that's as fast as it'll go, or I can slow it down. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? Dude. Oh, that's awesome. Slow that down. Oh, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. This kit is awesome. So we can brighten it, or we'll darken it first. Look at that. You can just barely see it. It's in there. It's definitely there, kind of. You can see it. The lights are on, very dim. And let's brighten them up. And they're bright. They shine out real nice. Okay. So I can just switch through colors. Cool. There's white, obviously. There I can switch through colors this way as well, just by tapping it. And this gives me like 3 different shades. So we have this purple, more purple, very purple, kind of a pink, more pink, white, red, orange, yellow, kind of a yellow green, more yellow green. There's a green. It's a blue green, blue, dark blue, and then it adds red and goes purple and goes white and goes back to red again. Now let's just go back to white. This, there. Now they'll stay on for an hour, or 2, 3, or 4. This is for music. If I play music, it has to be inside the vehicle. So if I play music inside the vehicle with this on, it'll do a beat. So I'll just show you real quick. So if we hit the music icon, they can hear the tick from my engine. I'm actually gonna just shut it off. See, the lights are off now. And there you have it. And then when I talk, it hears it. So its microphone is right on the side of the controller here. So if I turn music on inside the vehicle, it comes on. Brrr. I'm not sure the difference between numbers 1 and number 2. I think 1 makes it one way. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. Every now and then, oh, there, it does a little zoom. Look, that's interesting. What else is there? I can lock it, whatever that means. I'm not even sure what the lock button does. It's got a lock button on it. I see. Okay. So now I can lock it and nothing happens when I hit the buttons. Okay. I didn't realize that. Now unlock it. Now I can change the color. Lock it. I can't change anything. Unlock it. I can change it again. Cool, 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 cool. I love this kit, guys. Let's turn it to auto. We're just gonna let it play through. Okay, one last step. I've got to install the No Limits LED sticker on the back of the truck here. So it's one step yet, and that's to install the sticker. So we'll just, if I can get it off. There we go. And where to put it? Might just put it right over the cold air induction sticker because it's worn off so bad. Make sure it looks neat. There we go. No Limits LED. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I love my No Limits LED rock lights. Again, I would say go with the 12 light kit, and I might in the future yet. I kind of do want to put a light in the middle here, maybe two on each side, or maybe I'll do one on each side, one in the front, one in the back. But this kit is like, and not just because I'm being sponsored, guys, like honestly, this kit is so nice. Easy install, easy hookup, works immediately, works so well. I love it, and I will be installing it on my square body, which is right over there. I will probably install the 12 light kit on my square body. I like it that much, like honestly, whether they sponsor that one or not. I love it. I do love it. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Remember my code burninggas454 at www.nolimitsled.com. Get you 10% off your next order. I will see you next time.